Just a small update for the 2 or 3 of you that might be interested. Right, the manifold's back on. That was a mission. Oh, I've forgotten this. The manifold's on, the radiator's in, like it was supposed to. Right, it all started with the leaky radiator, and now that's back on. Flaps are done. The bolts that corroded are done. Everything's done. Even that pipe down the bottom. Oh, that's done. That was even more difficult than I thought. So I just got to put the battery and all that sort of stuff back in. That's just some anti-corrosion stuff on there. Everything else is back in. I just got to put some pipes back on. I'm going to change that clip. Obviously, it needs to go in here. Everything's done. Everything is done. Then it's just a question of putting water in it and firing it up. Right. The only issue that I have is that I measured everything on the old radiator. You can't even get the thing there. Right, but hang on, let's go this side. But if you can just about see, nope, you can't. No, you can. Hang on, let me see if I can zoom in. Where is that thing? No, you can't. It doesn't focus. Anyway. Where is it? Oh, hang on. There it is. There it is. Right. It's the wires in the way. Right. See that there? That's the fixing for the AC condenser to the radiator. And this side, it fits. Because it fits. And there's a clip just up here. You can see that where it just slots in. So this side's alright. And when you come to this side, it doesn't go in. It doesn't go in there. And then because it doesn't go in there, you can't even see where the other bit is. Yeah, it's down there. And that doesn't line up. Oh, that's a brilliant angle, isn't it? Yeah, so that doesn't line up. The holes in that and the radiator don't line up. So that's the only thing that's holding me up